What if I told you it's possible to make $500 a day while you're doing literally nothing? No 9 to 5, no side hustle grind, just money flowing into your account? If that sounds like a dream, stick with me, because in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to create passive income streams that work 24/7. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your finances, I'll share strategies that anyone can use. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because I'm revealing the one strategy that scaled my income faster than anything else. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is passive income? It's money you earn without trading your time for it. Now, that doesn't mean it's free money. You need to put in some effort up front. But once the system is set up, the money keeps coming in with minimal maintenance. Here are the 5 strategies that helped me hit $500 a day consistently. Let's start with my bread and butter, digital products. These are things like ebooks, templates, or even online courses that you create once and sell over and over again. The beauty of digital products is that there's no inventory, no shipping, and very little overhead. For example, I created a digital budgeting planner. I spent about a weekend designing it in Canva, super simple, and uploaded it to Etsy. I priced it at $15 and it started selling almost immediately. The best part? People from all over the world were buying it while I was sleeping. With just 40 sales a day, I hit 600. Here's a pro tip. Focus on niches that people are passionate about. Think wedding planners, fitness trackers, or even niche hobbies like plant care guides. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or even write content for you, and Canva to make it visually stunning. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify do the rest, from processing payments to delivering the files. Next up is affiliate marketing. If you've got a social media presence, a YouTube channel, or even a small blog, this is a no-brainer. With affiliate marketing, you recommend products or services, and when someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. For me, this started with tools I already use, like a budgeting app and an ebook I loved. I made a simple YouTube video reviewing these products, dropped my affiliate links in the description, and voila, commissions started rolling in. Here's why affiliate marketing is so powerful. Some programs offer recurring commissions. For example, if you refer someone to a subscription service, you'll earn a cut every single month they stay subscribed. That's passive income on autopilot. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Impact make it easy to get started. Let's talk about investing. Dividend-paying stocks are like the unsung heroes of passive income. When you own shares in certain companies, they pay you a portion of their profits, called dividends, just for holding their stock. For example, I invested $15,000 into a mix of high-quality dividend stocks like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These companies have been paying dividends for decades and consistently increase their payouts. At an average yield of 4%, that's $600 a year, completely passive. Now, imagine reinvesting those dividends into more shares. That's where the magic of compound interest comes in. Over time, your income grows exponentially. If you're just starting, you can also look into dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD or VYM, which spread your investment across multiple dividend-paying companies. Real estate is another great way to earn passive income, but not everyone can afford to buy properties outright. That's where real estate crowdfunding comes in. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. I started with $5,000 in Fundrise, and now I receive quarterly dividends plus appreciation from the properties in the portfolio. What's great about this is that it's completely hands-off. You don't have to worry about finding tenants, fixing broken sinks, or dealing with property managers. Fundrise handles it all while you collect the income. Finally, let's talk about print on demand, one of the most creative and scalable ways to earn passive income. Here's how it works. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags and upload them to platforms like Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone places an order, the platform prints and ships the item for you. For example, I created a t-shirt line with quirky coffee quotes, things like espresso yourself and death before decaf. I shared the designs on social media and ran a couple of small Facebook ads. Within a few weeks, I started making consistent sales. Each sale brings in $5, $10, and with 50 sales a day, you're easily hitting 500. Here's the real secret to hitting $500 a day. Don't rely on just one income stream. By stacking multiple passive income strategies, you diversify your earnings and reduce risk. If one stream slows down, the others keep you afloat. For me, it's a mix of digital products, affiliate marketing, dividend stocks, real estate crowdfunding, and print on demand. Together, they create a stable, scalable income that keeps growing over time. So, there you have it, the ultimate passive income blueprint. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your portfolio, these strategies can help you hit $500 a day and beyond. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. And don't stop here, check out this video on the best ETFs for passive income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip to grow your wealth. Let's make your passive income dreams a reality. See you in the next one.